Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Pixelcut app. First, open the Pixelcut app on your mobile device. Then, select the Remove Background tool, which is perfect for isolating subjects. Choose an image from your photo gallery or capture a new one directly within the app. Finally, tap the checkmark to confirm your selection and move to the next step. After removing the background, you can enhance your image further. Use the Adjust feature to fine-tune elements like brightness, contrast, and saturation. Explore the wide range of filters to give your photo a unique look and feel. You can also add text or graphic elements to personalize your design. For precise manual adjustments, the Erase tool is incredibly useful. Pixelcut offers many creative options for your image background. You can easily replace the original background with a solid color or a smooth gradient. Alternatively, select from Pixelcut's extensive library of high-quality stock images. For a truly personal touch, upload your own custom background from your device. You can also blur the background to achieve a professional depth of field effect. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to save and share it. Tap the Export button, usually found in the top right corner. You can choose your preferred file format, such as PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller file sizes. Select the desired image quality before saving. Finally, share your stunning creation directly to your favorite social media platforms with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.